2023 Summative Assessment 1 question paper. First section 1, 7 questions are there. Each carries 2 marks. First go through with your question paper. Later we'll discuss all the answers. Right? Sections 2 start with the 8th question. So here we have 6 questions. Each carries 4 marks. So 6 4s are 24. Okay. Section 8th question hours. Up to 13th question is your section 2. Here we don't have any option in section 1 and section 2. And in section 3 we will have options. 14th question onwards. Right. We will now discuss all the answers related to these questions. What is our first question is? First is each carries 2 marks, right? So here compute the following: minus 15, minus 20. Right? This is our first question. Minus 15, minus 20. Here 20 is having plus sign. So first try to remove the bracket. So write it with like this, right? So two negative numbers are there means you have to add them. So your answer is minus 35, right? So for this you have to remember, if you are going to add any positive integers, if their signs are both are having plus and plus, then you have to add them, right? Any two numbers, add them, and any two negative numbers, add them, and keep negative sign to the number, right? If any two numbers, so I am doing like this, any two negative numbers we are going to add, minus negative number and one positive number, right? So here you have to do subtraction, right? Greater symbol, what greater number is having which sign, that sign we have to apply for that number, right? So here we have two negative numbers, right? So whenever you are having like this, add them and keep negative sign. So it is minus 35. Second question, in the first bit, second one, 80 plus of minus 50, right? 80 plus of minus 50. This is your second question. Okay. First of what is our step? Remove the bracket. So 80 plus into minus, minus 50. 80 minus 50, answer is 30. Right? Next, so with this your first question completed. Second question. Find the, here before going to that, we will discuss it. This is addition of numbers, right? Whenever you are multiplying two numbers with plus two positive numbers, whenever you are multiplying positive numbers, you will get plus sign will be plus. Whenever you are adding multiplying two negative numbers, so here multiplication, above one is addition. Get the difference, please, right? So here whenever you are multiplying two negative numbers, it will become positive number. Any negative number multiplied with the positive number, then you will get negative number. Clear? So this is applied here for plus into minus, you will get minus n. So two operations are there, plus and minus. So remove this and make it one. sign. For that I am multiplying plus into minus minus. Now we can simplify easily. Okay, right. Second question, find the value of, this is our second question. 5 into 1 by 30, right? 5 into in 1 by 30. Here indirectly we will have 5 by 1, right? So for this no need of LCM, some people will do LCM. Here no need of LCM, directly multiply them. 5 into 1, 5, 30 into 1, 30. So these two are common in 5 table. 5 ones are 5, 6 are 30. Answer is 1 by 6. Answer is 1 by 6. Right? So this is your first, second bit, first question. Next one, division of fractions. 2 of 1 by 2 divided with 5 by 3. Okay. Right. So here it is in mixed fraction. Convert into improper fraction. Right. 2 2s are 4. So if you keep multiplication symbol here, I am placing plus symbol, means multiply these two numbers and add the numerator. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 by 2 divided by 5 by 3. Now write for second number reciprocal of 5 by 3 equals to 3 by 5. Now we can whenever we are taking reciprocal of 5 by 3, we can write it as 5 by 2 into 3 by 5. Okay, so these two will get cancelled here. So 5 ones are 5 ones are 3 ones are 3, 2. Right, your answer is 3 by 2. We can convert this improper, it is improper fraction. What is improper fraction? If numerator is greater than denominator. Numerator is greater than denominator. That type of fraction is called improper fraction. We can convert into mixed fraction. So divide your numerator with the denominator. 2 ones are 2, right? So what is your remainder? 1 now. So here always your denominator will be same, it will not change. So I am writing this denominator here and this remainder will come here. So we can write it as 1 of 1 by 2. Right? This is your answer. This is your rough work. Next, solve the equation. Third question. This is your third question. Solve the equation 3x plus 5 equals to 20 and check your result. Right? 3x plus 5 equals to 20. Okay. So I am using transposing method here. Now transpose 5 to that side. 3x will be here left side and 5 will transpose to right side. Plus 5 becomes minus 5. 20 minus 5. 3x equals to 15. 20 minus 5, 15. Right. Now transpose 2 to RHS. So here it is in multiplication mode. So you may get confused. There is no sign. Sorry, plus or multiplication symbol. No. So here in nothing is there means indirectly we are having multiplication sign. These two are in multiplication mode, right? So if it is now it is in multiplication mode, after transposing it will become division, right? So x equals to 15 by 3. 3 ones, 3 fives. X equals to 5, right? So verification also we will do. Verification for your idea, I am telling verification. So whatever we got the answer, x equals to 5, is it correct or not, we are checking. Here I am taking LHS only. What is our LHS? 3x plus 5, right? So substitute your x value here. 3 into 5 plus 5. 3 5s are how much? 15. 15 plus 5, 20. So RHS, it is equals to RHS, right? Next question, fourth one. What is the fourth question? Give examples for the following. Complementary angles. Linear pair angles. Complementary angles means if a pair of angles are added, if sum of two angles is equals to 90 degrees, then those two angles are called complementary angles. Any one example they asked for complementary angles? right? So you can take any number. 35, I am taking 35 plus 55 become 90 degrees. These two complementary angles, 35 and 55 are complementary angles. Complementary angles. Okay. Next, linear pair. Next they are asking in this only second one, linear pair. Right. Linear pair means these two be adjacent, two angles should be adjacent and their sum should be equals to 180 degrees. So suppose you are taking 120 degrees, 60 degrees. Right. After adding how much you are getting 180. And these two are adjacent and they are having common arm. Right. These type of angles are called linear pair. So 120 degrees and 60 degrees form linear pair. Linear pair. Right. Next question. If two angles of the triangle are, so in a triangle they are giving only two angles, 38 degrees, 52 degrees. Find the third angle. For this, so if wherever it is possible, try to draw diagrams with pencil neatly. Here I am not using pencil. So you use pencil in the exam. Right. So here, what is the fifth question, right? What is first angle? Given, what information is there in the question? Given first angle. So I am directly writing like this. First angle equals to 38 degrees. Second angle equals to 52 degrees. Third angle I am taking as x. X, right? So this is my figure. So 38, 52 and it is x. Right? So already we know that sum of the angles in a triangle are equals to 180 degrees, right? X plus 38 plus 52 equals to 180 as per angle sum property. Every time we have to mention which property you are applying, right? So how x plus, so how much you are getting after adding 90 degrees? 90 equals to 180. X equals to 180 minus 90. X equals to 90 degrees. Right? So it's a right angle triangle. So mistakenly we draw some other triangle. So it's a right angle triangle. One angle is 90 degrees. No, it's called right angle triangle. Right? You can draw any rough diagram. No problem. Next one. Sixth question. A man whose weight is 72 kgs weighs 12 kg on the moon. So obviously weight decreases on the moon because of low gravity of the moon. So what will be the weight of the woman on the moon whose weight is 54 kgs on the earth? Right? If the person weight is 72 kgs, weighing on the moon is equals to 12 kgs only. Right? If the person weight is 54 kgs, what will be the weight on the moon they are asking. Right? First, every time you have to write what information given in the question. Right? Given what we have. 72 kgs, I am writing 72 kg man weight on moon. How much you are getting here? 12 kg. Okay, next. So, as it is 54 kg woman weight on moon. X. I am taking it as X. So, 70 degrees is 12 kgs is as 54 kgs is as X. So we know that product of means equals to product of extremes, right? So extremes means. Okay, write the formula. Product of means equals to product of extremes. Okay, right. Next, product of means middle terms here. Multiply them. 12 into 54 equals to 72. This is equals to 72 into x. I am not multiplying this one. Transpose 72 this side. So multiplication becomes division, right? 12 into 54 by 72, you'll get here x, right? So 12 ones are 12. Directly I am taking 12 table. 12 6 is 72. 6 ones are 6 8. X equals to 8 kgs. So that woman weighs on the moon is 8 kgs. Right? This is your solution. Next question, seventh one. Right? Observe the given information given below. So here population in millions. Right? 1941, 1951. For every 10 years they gave population growth. So 320 millions. It isn't mentioned in millions. It is millions. 360 millions in 1961 440, 1971 550, 1981 680, 1991 850, 2001 1000 million. Okay. So what is our question? What information is shown in the above data? Population. So you can write directly population growth. We can write population. Of country also we can write. Of population of country we can write. In which year population was least? Which year? So we can write directly. I'm not writing in the notes. 1941. How much number you write? 320 millions. You should mention millions compulsory. Okay. Right. Next. First 7 questions finished. Section 2. Right. Rice consumed in a school under the midday meal program. First 6 consecutive days are 17 kgs 250 grams, 15 kgs 750 grams, 14 kgs 850 grams, 16.500 grams. This is 16 kgs 500, 14 kgs 700 grams, 17 kgs 700 grams. Right? Respectively. Find the average rice consumption during the week. Right? Average, mean, both are same terms. We can write mean also. Average, mean, both are having the same meaning. Whenever they are asking, you find the mean of the data. Okay? Right here. So this is a 8th question. What given in given? Rice consumed for 6 days. Rice consumed days. I am simply writing rice consumed days equals to 6. So remaining I am not writing. Directly I am writing my formula. Mean formula. Sum of observations by sum of observations. Number of observations. Okay. Great. So sum of observation, what observations given here, you add them directly. Okay. I am writing 17.250 plus 15.750 plus 14.850 plus 16.500 plus 14.700 plus 17.700 by number of observations total 6 only. So how much you are getting after adding? So we know how to add this, right? So like this you have to write 250, 15, 750, 14, 850, 16, 50, 14, 70, 17, 700. Right? These decimal points should be match. Right? 0, 5, 5, 5, 15. So 10, 18, 23, 30, 37. 3 carry 10, 15, 19, 25, 29, 36. 3 is your carry 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 96.750. Total 96 kgs 750 by 6. So how much after cancellation? I am doing the minute cancellation directly. 6 ones, 6 ones are 6. How much left? 3 remainder. 6 6 are 36. So nothing left. 6 1 is 6, 1 left. 6 2 is 12, 3 left. 6 5 is 30. So 16.125 kgs is mean or average. Average or mean. This is your answer. Next question. If an exterior angle of a triangle is 125 degrees, exterior angle is given. One of the interior opposite angles is 67 degrees. Find the other two angles in the triangle. So exterior angle is given and one of the opposite interior angle is given and remaining angles we have to find. Clear? Right. Wherever possible, try to draw the diagrams neatly with pencil. Here, given what information given in the question, write that first. Given which question it is, ninth one. Okay. Exterior angle. Measure of, here we have to write measure. Measure of angles equals to 125 degrees. Opposite interior angle. Opposite interior angle equals to 67 degrees. Right? So, from this information I am drawing my diagram. So, exterior angle is 125 degrees. One of the opposite angle is 67. This one I don't know. So, after adding these two only you will get exterior angle, right? I am taking it as x. This one I am taking as y. Right? So, in two methods we can find this one. First, if you are going to try find out your y, then we will have two angles, then we can find third angle easily. Otherwise, if you are finding using exterior angle x property x, we can find x also first. Whenever after adding these two only you will get exterior angle, right? So I am using that property only. So x plus 67 equals to 125 degrees. As per which property we are applying? Exterior angle property. Exterior angle property. Clear? So transpose 67 to that side. So plus 67 becomes minus 125 minus 67. Right? So x will be 58 degrees. Now I got 58. So after getting two angles, we can find third one easily. Right? 67 plus 58 plus y equals to 180 degrees. So whenever you are adding three angles of a triangle, it should be equals to 180 only. So which property is that? Angle sum property. Angle sum property. Right? So after adding these two, it is equals to 125 degrees. 125 plus y equals to 180. Y equals to transpose your 125 to right side. 180 minus 125 equals to how much? 55. 55. y equals to 55 degrees. Clear? Right, with this here sum finished. Next, 10th question. Find the measure of the angles x, y, z as shown in the figure below without actually measuring them. Right? So here in the picture, two lines are intersecting, right? Here one angle is given 40 degrees. Opposite one we have to find x1, y value, z value also we have to find. Right? Somewhat simple only. 10th question. X equals to 40, I am writing directly. X equals to 40 degrees. As per which rule? These two are opposite with each other, right? So vertically opposite angles are equal. That property I am using it. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Right? So x equals to 40 degrees. Now z plus 40 degrees equals to 180. So as in our question, if you forget about here this part, so see this line only, forget this line also. So this line is separating, straight line will have 180 degrees, right? So one part is 40 degrees, second part will be 180 minus 40. Total will be 180. From here to here it is 180 degrees. Straight angle, or these two will form linear pair, right? We can write linear pair also. 40 degrees plus z equal forms linear pair. Linear pair how much? 180 degrees. That I am using that property. So it is linear pair. Right? So transpose 40 to that side. Z equals to 180 minus 40 degrees. 140 degrees. Z equals to. Clear? Now y equals to z equals to 140 degrees, as per which property? Vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Like this. When two lines are intersecting, vertically opposite angles are z equals to y. Next, 11th question. Suresh said, multiplying my number by 5 and adding 2 to it gives the same number as subtracting my number from 20. Find the number. Clear? Right. So 11th question, right? 11th one. So what given? I don't know the number, and so here I am taking let the number equals to x. Right, now you have to multiply it with 5. Multiply x with 5. So it will become 5x. Add 2. Add 2. So it will become 5x plus 2. So it gives the same value, subtracting my number from 20. Subtracting number from 20 means what you will get here? 20 minus x. So these two will be same. As per our question, what he is saying, multiply my number with 5. Let the number is x. So multiply it with 5 means 5x. Add 2 means 5x plus 2. Gives the same value, subtracting my number from 20. 20 minus x. So from the question we can write 5x plus 2 equals to 20 minus x. Clear? So what I am doing, transpose 2 to that side, bring x here. Right? Plus 2 becomes minus 2. 5x is as it is. X comes here. Minus x becomes plus x. 20 is as it is. Plus 2 becomes minus 2. Right? 5x plus x, 6x, 18, 20 minus 2. So transpose here is 6 that side. So x equals to 18 by 6. 6 ones are 6 3s. X equals to 3. If you have doubt, whatever you got correct or not, verification. So verify your answer, right? 5x, what is your equation? This one only, no? 5x plus 2 equals to 20 minus x, right? Substitute your x value here. 5 into x3, right? 5 into 3 plus 2 equals to 20 minus 3. 5 3 is a 15 plus 2, 17. 20 minus 3, 17. LHS equals to RHS, right? So whatever we got, x value is correct. Next, 12th question. A rainfall of 8.96 centimeters was recorded in 3.5 hours. What is the average rainfall per hour? So rainfall in a day recorded given and how much time is given. We have to find the average rainfall per hour. Per hour. This page is not sufficient. Which question? 12th question. What given info? First write given information. Given recorded rainfall. Recorded rainfall. 8.96. Time duration of rain. Duration of rain. Time is given as 3.5. So we convert into improper fraction. 3 to the 6. 6 plus 1. 7 by 2. Okay. So average rainfall they are asking, right? So directly divide it with 8.96 divided with 7 by 2. So here I am removing this decimal point. We can write it as 896 by 100. So how I am taking for decimal point 1, how many digits? That many zeros. I think you know this one. 7 by 2. So whenever you are doing division, so fraction division, take reciprocal of 7 by 2. So reciprocal of 7 by 2 is 2 by 7. Right, now we can write 896 by 100 into 2 by 7. This will become now multiplication from here to here. Right. Any cancellation? 7 ones. 7 1 is 7. 1 remainder. 7 2 is 14. 19 minus 14. 5 will be remainder. 7 8 is 56. That's 128 into 2. 2 8 is 16. 2 2 is 4 plus 1 5. 2 1 is 2 by 100. Okay. So again convert into decimal form. 0 1 digit. So it is 2.56 centimeters per hour. Clear? Next question. 13th one. Section 2 last question. An elevator descends into a mine shaft at the rate of 8 meters per minute. So it is traveling in 1 minute, it is traveling 8 meters only. Right? If the descent starts from the height of 10 meters above the ground level, how long will it take to reach 550 meters below the ground? Suppose if your ground level is this one, if you are taking ground level, so above 10 meters ground, so 10 meters above we are having elevator, means lift only, elevator, right? So they have to reach 550 meters below the ground. So total how much? Here to here 560 meters. Total distance to be traveled is 560. Right? Above the ground level 10 meters they have to travel. It should that elevator should travel from 10 meters above the ground, right? So it should travel 10 meters as well as 550 meters. So total 560 meters, right? So what information given? 13th question. Given speed of elevator. Speed of elevator 8 meters per minute. Next, Total distance to be traveled. Total distance to travel. It is 550 plus 10. How much total? 560 meters. Right? Next, how much time it is traveling? So we can write directly 560 by 8. 7 ones are 7, 8 ones are 8, 8 sevens are 56. So 70 minutes it is taking time. Means 70 minutes equals to, we can write it as 1 hour 10 minutes also we can write. Clear? So here we can write time to reach 560 meters. Time equals to how much time it is taking on 1 hour 10 meters. Next question, 14th question. A shopkeeper earns a profit of 1 rupee by selling 1 pen and incurs a loss of 40 pies by selling pencils of his old stock. So if he don't sell his old stock, no, total loss he will get. So to compensate that, he is decreasing price by 40 paisa. So mottam loss. So he don't want to lose too much of amount. So he is decreasing. So something is better than nothing. No? So in that way, he is decreased his price. So he is getting, for every pencil selling, unsold of one pencil, he is getting 40 paisa loss. Right? So in a week, he incurred a loss of 5 rupees by selling 45 pens. How much he should get profit on selling one pen? For 1 rupee, right? So it should be equals to 45, but he got loss of 5 rupees. So he also sold pencils and some pencils. So he sold pens as well as some pencils. Find the number of pencils sold in that week. Okay. So first you write what information given in the question. 14th section 3, first question, 14th one, profit on selling one pen. Given profit on selling one pen equals to 1 rupee. Right? Next, loss on selling one pencil equals to 40 pies. So here it is in rupees, it is in pies. So convert into rupees 40 by 100. 2 ones are 2 fives are 1 by 5 rupees. This is also now in rupees. 1 by 5 rupees. Next, number of pens sold. Number of pens sold equals to 45. Number of loss, total loss 5 rupees. Profit earned, how much profit earned? Profit earned on selling 45 pence. How much he should get? 45 into 1, right? So 45 rupees. But when he will get loss, so from this we can say loss equals to 45 plus 5. So total loss is 50 rupees. Total loss 50 rupees. When he will get how? So for each pencil he is getting 40 paisa loss, right? So here he got 50 rupees loss. So how much pencils he sold we have to find, right? Next one, how much pencils he sold we will find. So directly I am writing 50 divided by this one 1 by 5. Loss of one each one. So here we wrote loss on selling one pencil converted into 1 by 5, or you can write 40 by 100 also, no problem. So here 1 by 5 or 40 by 100 both will be same. Next 50 by 1 into 5 by 1, reciprocal of 1 by 5 equals to 5 by 1, right? 5 5 is a 25. Here it is 2 by 2, 2 is a 2 5. 5 by 2, 2 1 is a 2 2 is a 4, 25. 25 5s are 125. So total pencils sold. Total pencils sold, how many he sold? So on selling 125 pencils, he got loss 50 rupees loss. Profit earned 45. 50 minus 45, still he have 5 rupees loss. Clear? This is your answer. You write it step by step. It is very easy to simplify. Profit on selling 1 pen 1 rupee. Loss on selling 1 pencil equals to 45 paisa. So these two should be, units should be always same. So for that reason I am converting 40 paisa into rupees. So simply divide it with 100. So it is equals to 2 by 5. Number of pens sold 45. Whenever he is selling 1 pen, he will get 1 rupee profit. Means total profit is 45 rupees. Clear? Total loss, he got 5 rupees on that day. So profit earned on selling 45 pence is 45. Total loss will be 50. Now, how much pencil sold? 50 divided by 1, 2 by 5. So reciprocal of 2 by 5 equals to 5 by 2. Cancellation, after cancellation I am getting 125. Total number of pencils sold is 125. Clear? Next question. So from this you can write any two. Find the products of 1 by 7, 1.7 into 3, 2.0 into 1.5, 2.5 into 4.3. Right? Very simple one. So this is a 14th B question. So what they are asking, 1.7 into 3, right? Simply you do your rough work. 1.7 into 3. Do normal multiplication. 7 3 is a 21. 2 years a carry. 7 3 1 is a 3 plus 2 5. Right? Now try to keep it. After one digit you are having decimal point, right? So after one digit you keep your decimal point. Right? This is 5.1 is your answer. Second one. What is the second question? 2.0 into 1.5. 2.0 into 1.5. Right? So do your normal multiplication. 2.0 into 1.5. 500, 5 2 is 10. Plus 100, 1 2 is 2. Total how much you are getting? 3. So here we have one digit after decimal point. Here also one digit after 10. One decimal point. So of total number of digits here 2 are there. So 2 digits after keep your decimal point. This is your answer. 3.00. Next, third question. 2.45 into 4.53. Right? 2.5 into 4.53. So try to do in normal way. So I am taking this one first into 2.5. 5 3 is a 15 for 1 carry. 5 is a 25, 26, 2 carry. 5 4 is a 20, 22. 2 3 is a 6, 2 5 is a 10, 1 carry. 2 4 is a 8 plus 1 9. 5 2 1 carry 3 11. This one you know. Next, how many digits? Here we have 2 digits after 1 decimal point, 1 digit after. Total how many are there? 1 2 3. 1 2 3. This is your answer. So what is your answer? 11.325 is your answer. And they asked, arrange the values in ascending order. So answers should be written, you had to write them in ascending order. Ascending order. So first is 3. 3.003 both are same. 5.1 then 11.325 is their ascending order. Right? Next question, 15th question. Length of a rectangle is 6 meters less than twice its breadth. Breadth is not given, length is not given. Only perimeter of the rectangle is given 60 meters. If the perimeter of the rectangle is 60 meters, find its length and breadth. Right? Next, 15th question. Let from the question breadth equals to x, I am taking. We don't know x. length equals to, length is what length? 6 meters less than twice the breadth. Twice the breadth 2x less than 6 means 2x minus 6. Perimeter of rectangle given. Perimeter of rectangle. How much? 60 meters given. Right. Now draw a diagram. So it is x, 2x minus 6. We know formula of perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle. What is your formula? 2 into L plus B. Right? 2 into L plus B. Here substitute your values. Perimeter is, we know perimeter of rectangle answer 60 meters. 2 into L how much? 2x minus 6. Substitute your values here. L place loss. You write 2x minus 6 in the place of L. And B is x only. Okay. So 2x plus x how much? 3x. So LHS will be same. 60 equals to 2 into 3x minus 6. So here you have to, before bracket we are having one number means it is up, it should be multiplied with both the values, right? So 60 equals to 2 into 3x, it is 6x, 2 6 are 12. Okay. Now bring this 12 this side. 60 minus 12 equals to 6x. Minus 12 becomes plus 12. 72 equals to 6x. Multiplication becomes division. 72 by 6 equals to x. X 6 ones 6 is common. 6 ones 12 6 is 72. 6 ones are 6. 6 ones are 6. 1 remainder 6 2 is 12. X is 12. So we know breadth now equals to 12. Why? Because we taken it as x only. Length, what is our length? 2x minus 6 means 2 into 12 minus 6. 24 minus 6. How much it is? L equals to 18. Clear? Or in a quadrilateral ABCD, AB is parallel to DC and AD is parallel to BC. Both the sides are parallel with each other. So it is obviously a parallelogram. Next, angle A is 55 degrees. Find the measure of angle B, angle C and angle D. So from this information we are considering as parallelogram, right? So A, B, C, D. Check here conditions. AB is parallel to DC. AB parallel to DC. AD is parallel to BC. Both are parallel with each other. So angle A is 55 degrees. Find the measure of other angles they are asking. Right? We know from transversal lines, suppose if it is 55 degrees, this will become 125. Right? So both after adding 180 will get. If corresponding angles are equal, alternative angles are equal. So by using those, we can simplify this one. Okay. Let not given angle A equals to 55 degrees. Angle A equals to angle C equals to 55 degrees. Why? Because vertically, as per which rule? Vertically opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Next, from this, if it is 55, it is 120. Suppose if you extend this line, it will become 125. Alternative angles, D also 125. If it is D is 125 degrees, B also vertically opposite angles are equal like that. Okay. If it is 125, B also 125. Corresponding angles are equal. So angle D equals to angle B equals to angle D equals to 125, right? 125 degrees. Angle D equals to angle B equals to 125 degrees. Again you write vertically opposite angles are opposite angles are equal. Clear? Next. Show that the sum of exterior angles of any triangle is 360 degrees. Right? So we have to show that all exterior angles of any triangle equals to 360 degrees. Suppose let we take a triangle with some measurements, or your own measurements you can take, but that should be equals to 180 degrees. Sum of, suppose here I am taking 30, here I am taking 60, and how much it will be? Here I am taking 40. It will be 40 plus 60, 120, 120, 180. This is also 60. These two are 60 and it is 40. 60 plus 60, 120, 120 plus 40, 180. Right? So now how much you will get exterior angle? This exterior angle equals to sum of opposite angles. How much it is? 120 degrees. Right? Here this exterior angles sum of opposite angles. 60 plus 40, 100 degrees. This is 180, sorry. It is 80 degrees. 80 plus this is 140. Right? Next, this one, after adding this to 120. Okay. So, with one example only we can explain sum of exterior angles. One 40 plus 120 plus 100 equals to 360 degrees. If you take any that, you will get this one. Next, in 2 years, 600 amounts to 1888 at a certain rate of interest. In what time will 6500 amounts to 8840 at the same rate of interest? So, two questions are given. In time is given here 1600 amounts. After adding interest, after certain period, he got, after 2 years, he got 1888, means 288 rupees interest he got on 1600 rupees, right? So from this we have to calculate interest first and rate of interest. Simple one. Given 16b, this is given. What information given? Time 2 years, principal 1600, total amount 1888, interest we can say, interest we can calculate. 1888 minus 1600, 288 is interest. Next, rate of interest. We don't know. We have to find. T stands for your time. P, this one, our rate of interest R. So this is simple interest. We have simple interest formula SI equals to PTR by 100. Clear? PTR by 100, substitute your values. We know interest 288. P how much? 1600. Time 2. Rate of interest we don't know. I am writing it as R 100. Clear? Right. Now, transpose all the values. Send your 100 this side, 1600, 2 also this side. 288 will be same. 1600 will become denominator, division. 2 also comes in division. 100 comes in numerator, right? 0 0 will get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 fours are 2 4, 16 ones are 16 nines are 144. So rate of interest is 9. R equals to 9. We know R now. So in here we have one more question. In what time 6500 amounts to 840? Right, again you write this as P equals to 6500, R equals to 9. Time we don't know, we have to find. And simple interest, how much we got? 6000, sorry, 8840 minus 6500. So how much? 403 2340 60. 2340 rupees we got. So I'm doing here only. What is your simple interest formula? PTR by 100. Substitute your values. P how much? 6500. Time how much we don't know. Rate of interest is 900. SI we know this one 2340. 0 0 will get cancels. Transpose 65 and 9 to that side. 2340. 2340. 65 is in multiplication mode, becomes division. 9 also in multiplication becomes division. T will be here. Right? So any cancellation? 5 table. 5 13 65. 5 4s are 20. 5 6 are 30. 5 8s are 40. 9 table. 9 5s are 45. 1 left. 9 2s are 13 ones are 13 fours are. T equals to 4 years. Okay, T equals to 4 years. 2 times we have to do. First we have to find. So simple interest formula is PTR. P stands for principal, time, rate of interest by 100. This is our simple interest formula. In first case they gave time given, principal amount given, total amount. Total amount, when you will get this amount plus interest, after adding interest you will get total amount. So I'm subtracting principal amount from total amount, you will get simple interest amount, how much we got. Rate of interest we don't know. Substitute the values here. So transpose your terms. Here I got R equals to 9. Next, what they are asking, 6500 principal amount amounts to 8840 they are telling. So simple interest how much added? 2340. Time we don't know, rate of interest is same. So substitute your values again. You will get time as 4. Next, here 70th question we will have graph question and pie chart question. Graph is simple. On x-axis I am taking here name of the student, marks in maths and science. Girija 75 70. Money 30 35. Renuka 70 65. Sharath 100 90. Raman 35 22. Venkatesh 50 60. So if you are trying to show this on it, suppose if you take your graph. So this is your x-axis, right? This is your x-axis and this is your y-axis. Simple. Now you write here names. Girija. Money. So here you will get two graphs like this. 2 lines. After leave one line. Then money. Renuka. And Sharath. Raman. Last Venkatesh. Okay. So 10 20 I am taking directly. 10 20 30 40 50 60 70. So highest is 100. So up to take 100 90 100. So Girija how much she got? 75 70. So you go up to 75. So I'm not drawing anything here. If it is graph better, you will understand in a better way. and mass 70 only. Science is 70, mass is 75. Color it with different colors. Only you have to use only two colors. Okay. Money got 30, 30, 30 and 35 in science. Like this. Somewhat here only. Okay, correct one. Right. Next, Renuka 70, 65. So I think you are understanding how to draw this one. Complete. We can. So we'll complete. 70. 70 means I have to take here up to 70. These lines will be present on graph now. No need of drawing again. 65 means somewhat less only. 65. Correct. Right. Next, Sharath 100. Sharath got highest. Full score 100 and 90 in science. Good score. This one 90 means here only will it 100 like this. Right. Next, Renuka finished. Raman 35 22. 35 here only will get 35 22 means somewhat you will get very less. So this is your diagram. Venkatesh 50 60. Venkatesh 50 60. So this is your graph. Do it on a graph paper. Right? So last question in 15th A, 17A. Draw a pie chart for the following data. Item of expenditure: food, health, clothing, education, savings. Right? Next, amount is given 1500, 750, 2250, 1800, 2700. Okay. So for this we have to draw a table. Item of expenditure, amount spent, ratio of angle of sector. First you write what information given in the table. Two columns will come. This one only. Item of expenditure, amount spent. Item of expenditure, amount spent. Amount spent. And so here food from the question paper. So food, health, clothing, education, savings. Food, health, next clothing, next education, savings. How much for food? 1500. Clothing 750. Health 750. Clothing 2250. 1800. First education, savings 2700. Next, we have to find the total amount how much you are getting here. Total you will get after adding 0, 0. Total 9000. Okay. Ratio of expenditure to total amount. We had read expenditure to total amount. So like this: 1500 by 9000, 750 by 9000, 2250, and 1800 by 9000, 2700 by 9000. After doing cancellation, how much you get? 0 0 will get cancelled. So we will do this one in rough column. I'm doing here 1500 by 9000, right? 0 0, 3 30s 90, 3 5s are 5 1s are 5 6 are 1 by 6, 750 by 9000, 0 0, 3 table, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 5 5s are 5 1s are 12, 1 by 12 it is 2250. So after all we will get different. You do on your own, try on your own. 1 by 5 you'll get here, 1 by 2250, right? 1 by 6, 1 by 12, okay, 1 by 5, correct? And this is 1 by 1800 by 9000, 2250, right? 0 0, 5 table, 5 4s are 20, 2 left, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, 4 5 8s are 40, 9 5s are 45, 9 2s are 1 by 4 answer here, 1 by 4, 2700 by 9000. Zeros will get cancelled. 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 3 3s are 3 10s. It is 3 by 10. Okay, these are the ratios. So here whenever we are drawing, you will get a pie chart. We have to draw in circle, right? So there we want some sector angle of sector, angle of sector, right? So total angle in the circle is 360 degrees. So 1 into 6 360, 1 by 12 into 360, like this. 6 1 6 6 60 degrees we have to take here. 12 3 36, 30 degrees, like this. 1 by 5 into 360 is common. 5 1s are 5 5s are 5 7s are 35, 72 degrees. 1 by 4 into 360, 4 1s are 4 9s are, so it is 90 degrees. 3 by 10 into 360, 0 will get cancelled. So multiply with 3. 3 6 are 18, 3 3 is 108. 1 year this. So you have to draw them in a circle format. You will get like this. First one 60 degrees center. From this is your base. Draw 60 degrees. From here 30 degrees. From here 90 degrees you will get here. 72 degrees, this is 72, 102, 60 degrees, 30, 90 you'll get here, 72, 108. Like this you'll get here pie chart, right? Next part B. So directly multiply these three numbers. 2 3 is 6, 6 5 is 30, and signs minus into minus plus, so 30 is your answer. Next, product of means equals to product of extremes, right? So 15 into 2 30, 30 by 5, 30 by 6. Answer not there here, answer not given. It is 6 answer. 3 by 5 of 20 means off means you can keep directly multiplication sign. 5 ones are 5 fours are 3 fours are 12 answer. Find x. 3x plus 4 equals 25, right? Transpose here 4. So 25 minus 24 means you will get 20. 3x equals to 21, you will get x equals to 21 by 3, 7 answer. This pair of supplementary angles. This is a pair of supplementary. Supplementary means after adding two angles, it should be equals to 180. This is sides which cannot form a triangle. So, greater side should be less than 7 less than 3 plus 5. Correct. 5 less than 4 plus 3. Correct. Condition should satisfy. This value should be less than addition of other two sides. Right. 6 is not less than 6 plus 6. So it is 12. This also comes satisfied. This one. 8 is not less than 4 plus 4. This is wrong. So it is 8. 8 is not less than 8. No. So here condition is not satisfying. So this is your answer. These are used in bar graphs. Triangles, circles, rectangles, sectors. Rectangles. IPTR by 100. Simple interest formula. P stands for principal. This figure represents the fraction. Total parts 4. 1 is shaded. So 1 by 4 is your answer. Ratio of AX and XB. AX how much? 16, 24. Cancellation 4 4s are 4 6s are. 2 2s are 2 3s are. 2 is to 3. So with this your class completed.